Good day everyone. I'm making this video to show you how to automate the editing of Excel in a listing of Excel files and sheets like this one. So you have a listing of Excel files and the sheet in the Excel files that you want to edit. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to support me to make more videos to help other people just like you. If this video has helped you, any donations to support this channel are welcome by using the PayPal link in the description below. So the first step that you need is launch Excel in Power Automate. So launch Excel and open the following document. The following document will be the listing of files and sheets. Make sure you close this before you run. You can make the instance invisible, right? Open as read only because there's no need for you to open it and edit. Variables produced will be Excel instance list of files. The next step is read from Excel worksheet. Excel instance list of files. Retrieve all available values from worksheet. Right? So you will retrieve the whole table of file path. Then go at once. Indicate the first line of range contains column names. The variables produced is Excel data. Next is go to for each, right? You can search for each here, right? Drag it over here, over to the canvas. For value to iterate is Excel data stored into current item, and you launch Excel and open the following document. So you want to iterate the opening of each individual file. So you actually have to go n% current item, open square bracket, inverted comma, list of files, inverted comma, close square bracket, and n%. So this one will ask Power Automate to go through the list of Excel files in this column B. Right? So column B's name is list of files. Go back to Power Automate. You can make this instance visible, and then variables produced is Excel instance. Alright, then you need to set the active Excel worksheet. Alright, so Excel instance is Excel instance activate worksheet with name. Then based on this worksheet name, which is n% current item, open square bracket, inverted encode sheet, close square bracket, and n%. So it will look for this sheet in column C here, right? Then you can ask Power to Automate to go to the Excel instance, right, which is the sheet, and then select range of cells. This is whatever you want to do with Power Automate. So for this instance, I just want to highlight some borders on this range of files, range of cells, C1, E5. Then I send keys, right? You can see my other video on how to send keys. So this is the keys here send is to highlight the borders. And then over here, just wait like 10 seconds so that I think it's a good practice to wait for the Excel to Power Automate to complete the steps in front before closing it. Right. I think there's something to do with you can make the keystroke faster as well. Right. And then what you do is close each instance of Excel, right? And then loop back to the second file, right? And then next sheet, right? So right now I will close this file and then I will run it just to test run it. So now it will start looping through the table. You can see it has selected the cells, and then it is putting the border, and then it goes to the second file, right? Sample file 2, and then go to sheet B and highlight the borders, and then it's done. So I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and feel free to donate. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.